What is the solution for this equation? And we have the absolute value of 2x minus 3 equals 5. As we've learned, there's a better way to read this equation. We can say that the distance from 2x to 3 is 5. And we can represent this sentence on a number line. We can mark 3, and we know that the distance from 2x to 3 is 5. So let's mark 5 steps in each direction. So 2x could be over here, or it could be over here. 5 steps from 3 gets us to 8 on this side, and negative 2 on this side. So we can say that 2x equals negative 2, or 2x equals 8. We can divide by 2 on both sides, and we get x equals negative 1, or dividing by 2 on the other side, we can get x equals 4. And looking at our answer choices, that would be C. What is the solution set of the inequality 5 minus the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 3? So let's rewrite this inequality in a way that makes more sense. So we have 5 minus the absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 3. We want to get the absolute value on one side, so we'll start off by subtracting 5. That leaves us with negative. The absolute value of x plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 8. We can divide both sides by negative 1. That leaves us with the absolute value of x plus 4. And since we divided by a negative number, we flip our inequality sign. And on the right side, negative 8 divided by negative 1 is 8. With absolute values, we're thinking about distance. And to find the distance between two numbers, you have to subtract them. So let's rewrite this as a subtraction. So we'll have the absolute value of x minus negative 4 is greater than or equal to 8. So now we can translate this inequality into words. We can say that the distance from x to negative 4 is greater than or equal to 8. So let's draw this on a number line. We can mark negative 4, and the distance from x to negative 4 is greater than or equal to 8. So let's go 8 steps on each side. So x could be 8 steps away, or it could be greater than 8 steps away. And we see the same idea on the other side. 8 steps away on the left side would get us to negative 12. 8 steps away on the right side would get us to 4. So we can say x can be less than or equal to negative 12, or x can be greater than or equal to 4. Let's take a look at our answer choices, and that would be D.